check your links are fine, update your Trello, like make sure you've got until Tuesday to do that. But it was like just make sure it's up to date, and you basically everyone's happy with their student log and you're up to go. I was like, okay, cool. That was basically it. So the actual only thing to the report was just the headings.
Update the student log, right? Today's the last day we can update this. Like he said.
Yeah, I think you can do that. Yeah.
You mentioned on general chat, I think. Yeah. So everything we do today, like the video and stuff, we have to like put it all on update on Trello today. I guess.
So happy with the report. I can submit that.
Cool.
All right, so if everyone's happy with the report, then submit it or tonight. All right, you guys cool if I save the PDF now and...
Yep, sounds good.
Hours
Yep.
Right now. Should have faster internet.
Cool. I think I'm good with my student log, so go right ahead. Cool. Well, while you're doing that, do we want to script this on what we're going to do, or?
Yeah. Better.
It's a good idea.
Yep. How are we going to do this?
Do we just want a basic plan of who talks when? I don't know if we have to do a whole script.
Yeah, I don't mean like
Yeah. But just like
more of an ad hoc one.
So maybe like
if we have dot points of yeah. I guess the order, order will go in, and then the main things we have to cover.
Yeah. So I just made a quick doc. It's in Discord.
Just checking a few things because it's got to be.
so the order of the explanation, like we explain our own features, I guess, like goes from core 1, core 2, core 3, core 4, core 5. Yeah. Like, so yeah. Yeah.
And then we need to present voice search and say that it was incomplete. I think he said we needed to do that, right?
Yes, yeah, he did say that.
Just the
Not
point
happily
case.
do that. I'll show the broken bits and be like, hey, this is beautiful.
What was EF2?
That was one of mine.
Current.
Current players.
Current games, yeah.
Sorry, gets confusing. EF what? Something. So we'll this one because I will give us a link to a video for that. EF5 was one of yours as well, Tim, yeah?
No, that was one that didn't get done. The Discord game check.
Yeah, that was something else. Yeah, that was no one did it. I think.
Right.
It's EF6 and EF7. I think.
Yeah, I did the display recent game rating.
Okay, so what do we have left? We've got 5 and 8. 7 still doing. 6, we'll say is done. Your own?
Yes, sorry. Yep, sorry.
As long as you don't review Grand Theft Auto.
I won't review. I was Counter-Strike.
So,
Counter-Strike.
Counter-Strike, yeah.
Yeah, just Counter-Strike.
Let's just test it on the bot channel first, just to see if it's working. We don't want it in the video. It's like, yeah, oh, there's an error. Popping up.
Yeah, Extended Feature 7, the first part of it works.
Okay, do you want to show that then?
Yeah, so it'll grab the overall rating for the game. But, yeah.
Okay, who wants to do this first part?
I'll do mine in a minute once I finish uploading.
Out of mine.
Just because I'm going to do time. Unless you want me speaking
Welcome's pretty easy,
for
right?
ages.
Yeah, don't mind on it. It's at the end. Yeah. Oh, do we have to change the ID, I think, to the bot channel?
I've already,
So, you already done it?
switched over. Yeah, because I was testing it in there before.
Okay. Cool. That's good.
Man, I hate cameras.
Do we have to test the welcome and show somebody joining the server?
Yeah. How does someone join into
The RMIT server. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, well,
Cannot.
Should we just do that one in the test server, or?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah, just do it in the test server. Like,
Okay.
you can't do it in here because.
a silly question. Am I stopping the broadcast and starting it again every time, or
Can you download the broadcast?
You should.
I think I can. I've just never stopped and started.
Yeah,
Should I give it a
download
go?
and edit the parts out. Like,
You should be
Yeah.
able to.
Just
Probably best
download
to
it,
keep
trim it.
Yeah.
trim it. Yeah, just trim all these bits in the front. And
You can probably trim it in. YouTube. It's probably got functions. So.
Okay.
Why not Windows Movie Maker?
Yeah. Or those iMovies or something, wherever.
Oh god,
Like iMac or some shit.
I don't have a Mac. Too poor.
Using Mac,
I can only afford Windows.
iMovies is pretty good, like for editing and stuff like that. But I'm running Windows.
But no, I'll give that a go. I'll stop. Can I just stop broadcast now, or should I?
Sure.
I'll just leave it.
No, just leave it there. Hopefully, yeah. YouTube videos can be downloaded. So.
This is 720p, isn't it?
That's what I'm about to check as well. I'm in
HD,
Advanced
yeah.
Manager as we speak.
Not that our webcams are 720. Many.
See how ugly I am. My true form.
It's not HD, I think. There would be a HD thing right above our.
You could spoof the output anyway if you really need to. Like,
Oh, I think just the format's got to be 7. As long as it is exported at 720.
you can have a look. Where is Video Manager? I really wish I would have. They're all HD. All the previous ones I've done are HD. But go into them.
Yeah, if you go into the video, it is in.
It's definitely HD.
Is there a way to download?
Oh my god, enhancements.
How do you download?
Make us all look pretty. Is there a download? Oh yeah, I've got download MP4. It's right here. If you go under Video Manager Videos, go click on the edit, and go download MP4. You can just dump it out.
Sweet.
Okay.
But yeah, you could probably edit the whole thing in YouTube.
Didn't Byron have a document on there that outlined how he did it?
You can add audio.
Nah, don't.
It's like audio tracks you can add.
I'm going to beatbox over everyone's. Alright. Okay.
Oh yeah, if you go to enhancements, you can trim it.
Okay. Awesome. Where's trim? Oh, there's trim.
Yeah.
Ah,
I think there you can.
cool. Okay. Yeah, I can do that. It's easy.
And then you can add like an intro screen, like an intro card.
That's perfect. We can
Yeah,
do
some
one of
cool
those
spinning
horrible
type.
early 2000s intro.
Yeah, spinning type. Comes flying in from the side of the screen. Rogue One. And then does that cool like it scales behind itself into the distance.
And you need the papyrus, whatever it is, font.
Yeah.
Just mint.
Once upon a time in the
We're going to make video editors.
And then Byron will say, "I know you don't. I'm not meant to do this, but bonus marks for the video."
100%. Done it perfectly. This is what I've always wanted.
Yeah.
Do you guys want me to start? I don't mind. I'm not camera shy.
Well, I'll be showing you desktop anyway, so.
Yeah, better hide all my porn.
So
Don't
Probably
judge.
probably best to start.
Ooh.
Video.
Start. Welcome or
So it's easier to trim.
Welcome. Yeah, true that.
Okay, so should I point the bot back at?
Yeah, then you have to point the
Test server?
bot back at the test server if you want to do the welcome.
Do we have to start it showing the code?
So you've got to explain the code.
Righto, and then
Yeah.
and show it working.
Yeah, so you could just say this is our bot.js file.
We have to go through the modules like the other files as well, like the modules, like the thing we export. We have to go through that as well. Or we just explain all in the
Well,
bot.js main file.
he said that you need to briefly explain your code, like how it works,
Okay.
and then you demonstrate it in Discord, and then that's it.
I think we just
Okay.
we just screen share in the code and just
Yeah.
explain it.
Yep. Yeah.
Pretty sure.
Cool. The token has to change.
Yeah.
Won't be the rogue token because it's not authorized.
So let's go.
The token and comment the token out. And we've got to direct. Then we have to stop the bot again and run it again with the rogue one token.
Cool. Yeah, so we'll start and stop it. Cannot find. Oh, whoops. Okay.
The channel ID.
Okay. So it's running and it's pointing at test server.
Cool.
Shall we make a new cleaner text channel?
Yeah. Okay.
Can you, oh, you just mean build a new one. Sorry. That's how it- okay.
Can you do that in yours, Nikki?
Yeah. I'm doing it now. Yeah. Rogue test channel. Can do it here, I guess.
Otherwise, by the way, if I do get, I might have to start a mill up. It'll just take me like 5 minutes. Just what I said earlier, but I might just have to disappear for 5. I'll still keep the chat going, and I'll still actually be here, but just be on my laptop.
Okay.
Yeah, you can always trim and edit the parts like this.
Yeah, we can get that.
We can always trim and cut the pauses in between.
Yeah, I'll only keep what's required. I'll make sure there's that.
Edit out all the bad bits.
Basically, that's all. Seriously, that's all.
Have you seen Exit Through the Gift Shop?
Exit through the gift shop.
No? All right, you should check it out. It's like a film by Banksy about a guy making a film about him.
What?
But yeah,
Isn't Banksy that guy who's what do you call it?
the street artist.
To be honest, yeah. And the gift shop. What the fuck?
This guy makes a movie that's like unwatchable, so he ends up getting all the footage and making like a real one. It's a documentary. It could be inspiration for this video, so you're gonna trim.
It's really weird.
Who's doing the welcome?
Ryan's gonna do it, yeah. So, should we? Who should we boot? Should we boot me?
If you don't want to do With Big Matthew.
Or boot Ryan and then you can rejoin. Oh no, you
Oh
should
yeah,
have it on the
Ryan.
screen.
Yeah, Ryan. Like since he's doing it, so
Yeah.
Okay.
That means you kick me out, boys. Fuck me off.
Sorry, you've been kicked.
Why do you hate me?
Okay. I'll paste it back in there now. So
I'm gonna have to get my Bob Ross voice going on here. Hello. Thank you again for joining me on the art of coding. Today we're gonna draw some happy little flowers and it's gonna be really nice. I'm gonna draw a nice mountain today. You guys have seen Bob Ross, right? The art of painting. I don't sound like a psychopath.
Yeah, and the new
don't forget to put
Deadpool
your,
type.
when you first thing, you gotta put your profile.
I play it sometimes at work. Oh, what was that? Sorry, Lincoln? Sorry.
Put your
Oh, thank
profile
you.
when
You've invited to the test server. Thank you, my good sir. I'll click on that in one moment. All right, I'm going to change over to my screen. Try to be serious.
American accent, British accent.
Fuck. Can't do the British accent.
pretty.
Hello, this is Core Feature 1. Core Feature 1 is a welcome to the server room. Upon the client joining the server room, the guild will be, oh wow, I fucked up. Start that again. Hello, this is Core Feature 1. Welcome to the server room. Client will connect to, will use an invite and connect to a channel. They'll join it. The code will then verify it's a correct channel. And when they join, it'll then say, please welcome. It'll put in the member's username, their details, guild they're part of, channel, and it will complete. We'll now run this. I just realized I clicked on.
The invite.
Can you kick me out again? I'm so sorry.
Do we need to change the channel ID? Lincoln?
We might have to.
No,
Actually, yeah. Hold up.
hold on.
Who?
Can I put that in now?
Oh, yeah, I have to change the channel ID to this.
Okay.
Which of you hosting the chat? Like whose YouTube account is it going on?
Brian,
Ryan's.
It'll be.
Okay.
this is the server. Yep, save.
Just make sure you click on the person that's talking.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, click on yourself. So you just have to click on yourself. Yep.
So
I'm on
channel
myself
ID.
right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
which one do we flick it over to, Lincoln? So is it that?
Yeah, I just corrected it. No, 38. It's 38. 383559 blah blah blah. Yeah, that one.
Okay.
I just changed it.
Cool.
To the road test channel. Yeah.
Can you kick me again if possible? Sorry.
Okay.
This time I
no
won't
worries.
click until it's.
Goodbye.
Okay.
You are the weakest one.
Not again. All right.
Go save and run it again. Yes.
All right. No worries. I'll start talking. Hello. Welcome to Rogue One's Discord bot. I'll be showing you Core Feature 1. Welcome to the server room. From the client connection, hold up. This is just. I'll be showing you Core Feature 1. Welcome to the server room. The client will connect to the Discord channel, calling it directly. Then a message will appear saying, please welcome the member, their guild name, and the system channel. I'll now demonstrate this. as you see, I'll join the test server provided by Lincoln. The bot will then say, please welcome member Ryan Brusky to the test server, referencing back to the actual server itself, and which chat it is. In this instance, it is part of the general. Thank you. Okay.
Nice one, Brian.
Thank you. That's really embarrassing, like actually having to like think of it at the top of your head.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna
Far more formal.
stop my screen sharing for a second.
Yeah.
There we go.
That was an infinite loop there for a second.
Oops. Oops.
Okay, so change back to a rogue token, I guess.
Okay.
Okay, so that's one down.
Okay. We're going to have so many different screen sizes.
Yeah. True, yeah. Can't be helped.
Well, doesn't it matter if I'm looking at you? Doesn't that mean that overarching it? Yeah. I will see. I'm watching you, by the way, now, Matthew.
Oh, cool.
So,
So you clicked on my picture?
clicked on your picture. Yep. Just
Cool.
confirm.
Alrighty. So can you stop the bot running on your end? Did you
Yes,
do that?
sorry, man. Yep.
Okay, I'll demonstrate core feature 2. Won't start right now because I'm trying to see where I'm at. Okay, I'm demonstrating core feature 2, time. The feature will go off to the Google API, search for a location. It will provide those results back to the user for their selection. The functions are imported as modules. The first being the place search, which do a GET request to get the data and then process the data. So I'll just complete that now. Now I can make my selection. And it'll display the current time, the time zone, and the location. Is that all right? Did I miss a bit?
Ah, that's fine.
Cool.
It's better than mine, so you know, like
It's probably half the length of yours.
I know I was rambling. Oh, I'm so bad for that.
Oh no, it was good. Like it'd probably make more sense of yours. I just got lost in mine.
As long as it works, who cares?
Yeah, as long as it shows the code.
What's next?
Okay.
Search feature.
Search feature.
Search feature. I'll close my Trello. All right, Lincoln, I'll start looking at you.
Oh, shit. Screen sharing now.
Thank you.
Okay. Whoa, what the?
Awesome. So that's what our video needs.
What?
Oh, really? I feel like I'm on mushies.
I shouldn't. Just goes into one of those bonus pages. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I'll be presenting core feature 3, the search feature. So the search feature is separated into two parts. Is searching for the game list through the Steam API. Goes through a the search message.
You're not screen sharing.
Oh, we're not screen sharing.
Sorry. I thought you were going to change over. Sorry. I didn't want to be rude. Be loud. I felt bad. I'm so used to it.
I thought it was an intro, like you're going to segue into it or something.
Transition.
Yeah.
Am I screen sharing now or not?
Yes, you are. Yep. That's
spot on.
Beautiful.
Okay, I will be presenting the core feature 3, the search. It's separated into two stages. The first stage being the games, game names and game app IDs from the Steam API. And then stage 2 will get the game detail information, first stage of the search. So stage of a search, it goes through and it goes through the games array, which is imported through a module right here. So the games array is imported as the app list, which is in the module here. You can see the app list is exported as a module, and we have the get request here. Passes the JSON data through, and also passes the this get app info will pass the game info data through in the second stage of the search. So we'll just run it. Okay. So I will search for Counter-Strike. So we only display the first 10 results because of the condition I put in. And then if I want to get the detailed information for an option, I will use info realize, and it will display the detailed game information for that game. There are some conditions involved with the second stage of the search. Mainly, not all of the game details is available in every game you search for in the options list. So some of the properties of the game, like the DLC property, not all games have a DLC, so it turns out undefined. So if there's no DLC, it won't show the message at all. Same with the Metacritic review and the movies review. And yeah, that's it for me.
Bravo. Very nice. That's good.
Maybe I should have done Grace. Well, could have shown the trailer. Trailer bit of the game you play.
It's okay. It'll come up again anyway.
Yeah. You want me to show you the other search, like for the search for the Grace? Like it has like a trailer or some shit. I
Well,
can see.
when Tim does the cart, you can search for Grays and add it to the cart, and then you
Okay,
can
yeah.
see the link. Or you can do it. Doesn't matter, I guess.
Do you want me to redo the search when I do the cart?
Or just carry on from here.
Yeah.
Yeah, just carry on. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah, I'll show you.
Who's running the bot?
I stopped it already, so
Okay, that's all right.
you can.
Cool. Okay, I'll do mine then.
Yours is cart. Yeah, your
Yep.
Your next one. Sorry.
Just be back in a tick, guys.
All good.
Okay. So I'm showing the cart feature. It relies on the search function. So it pulls when you search for something. So I'll search for Counter-Strike again. So you can then select one of the options, and this here will pull the number into a new array. So we'll do that now. Go cart 0, the first item, and it will tell you it's been added. And then if you are finished and you want to, actually we'll add another game. So we'll add condition 0, so 2. And then finally you can display the cart here, which just prints the array into Discord. So we'll go to content, and it will link you to the store that way. That's basically the cart feature. How do I stop screen sharing? There we go.
Cool. Easy one.
Nice one.
Yeah, it was fluid. Think on the voice one.
Yeah.
All right.
Can we just leave it running?
It's not connected, so
Yeah.
you can leave it running.
Yeah.
1 second. All right. Up and ready. Screen share. Hi, I'll be demonstrating the voice search feature. Currently, the voice search feature is unusable. We've been told to opt out the voice search feature for display recent game ratings, extended feature set. Alright. Voice feature is broken up into multiple parts. The voice feature first starts by connecting to the voice channel of a Discord text channel when the user sends a join command to it. The message channel then sends an audio, creates an Opus stream listener to listen to the audio stream. The audio stream is then outputted to a file path stream. Now, the file path stream is then forwarded on to be converted to a linear 16 type, as this is what the Google speech to text feature requires. From there, the audio file is then uploaded to a Google bucket, which is the equivalent of a Google Drive on Google's cloud-based operating system, on Google's cloud system. That can be seen just here. Now, speech conversion then occurs using the Google Speech to API. It will then output to a console log and then be used off the search ID function. Once again, this feature currently does not work. It was also used in multiple other iterations with the Discord IO at a later attempt and still failed with conversion. But that's that.
Nice work.
Nice.
Definitely deserved to mention the amount of time.
Yeah, that was. Yeah. That was fun.
Mm.
Oh, let's stop screen sharing for a second.
All right.
What's the next?
Lincoln.
Yep.
Game news.
Okay.
The bot's still running if you just want to jump in and use it.
Yep, watching you now.
Okay, I'll be demonstrating the game news feature of the robot. So it gets triggered by the news trigger, and then it pulls the JSON file from the game news module, which is obtained through a GET request, and the app ID will be obtained from the Steam search function for stage 1 of the feature, and it will return the JSON file. And what it does here is that first it checks if the game news is actually there. So sometimes there's no game news in the option chosen, so it returns a empty object. So we have to check if it's if the news object has properties or not. The second thing we have to check for is sometimes there is an item, but the news item's property doesn't have any properties associated to it. So this will check to see if there's any URL links inside of it. So I'll just do a test now. So I'll be testing Counter-Strike option. So start 0. And it will show the latest all the use items. It will give us the links to use items made available through the Steam API. And that's it. Yep.
Cool. There's another one.
Another one though.
Okay, next one's Current Game Players by Mr. Timothy Darcy.
Hello.
Please do a Bob Ross voice with this one. Come on.
Yeah, sorry, I had to get a drink of water.
Oh, I should have done an American accent.
Oh, no.
Okay. I will screen share.
Apparently watching you.
Cool. So now we will, hang on. Now we'll demonstrate Extended Feature 2, Current Game Players. This feature will find the current number of players for a particular game. So it uses the search feature to get the app ID, and it also utilizes another module, current players module, to perform a GET request. GET requests the API for the current players for that game, and then returns it back to the bot using a promise. What we can do, players Counter-Strike. This array should still be working. So we go players 0, and that's the number of players currently playing Counter-Strike, the original. And that is the feature.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Beautiful. Done.
Okay.
Kind of scary how many people are still playing Counter-Strike. Just
Yeah.
want to put this caveat out. Like, it's kind of...
Like everyone's playing CS:GO or something, like something newer, like
Yeah, it's... But that
CS:GO.
full of playing.
There's a Counter-Strike Online, though, that I didn't even know existed.
Really.
It's like
The Russians probably built it for...
it's
Just let me double check how to call all this genre. Okay, I'm presenting extended feature 4, search using genres. So the genres are preloaded. Hold on. I'll have to start that again. What's going on with the screen? No.
Oh,
Had enough.
right on your phone. The fucking phone.
It had cut off some of the,
Oh,
and I couldn't scroll it back, and it did it back. I know.
oh, we'll now be pausing due to some technical issues.
We'll put this on the blooper reel. Oh, it's still there. Cool.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, this is extended feature 4, searching using genres. The genre list is preloaded when the bot is started. So it's there for use. So it's loading a module. The modules, we have genre search, genre tags. Genre tags is the one that's getting that data at startup time. Okay. So genre waits to hear a genre, then it'll perform a search. It'll grab the tag ID and match that. And then it'll do a GET request with the genre search. The genre search uses Cheerio, which scrapes the relevant data out of the HTML, stores it in an array, and this data can be presented back to the user. After that, it utilizes the stage 2 of the search function to display desired result back to Discord. So I'll just run that. Okay, displays the results. You can click here to see on Steam that genre if you want more than the ones that are displayed. It's the game information for the selected option. Cool.
Cool.
Nicely done.
Yeah. Number 5 is Bo's one, isn't it? Just
Is this EF3? Then
and then
we haven't done EF5.
oh, that's it too. So, which leaves.
So that's. Do you want to do EF6?
Yeah, I can give it a whirl. Get it. One screenshot. Hello. Hello, all. I'll be presenting Extended Feature 6. Top 3 and top bottom 3 reviews. The Extended Feature 6 is used modularly. It refers back to the other JS file, which in turn uses JSON to search through, awaits to receive data. They get reviews function first of all. Searches through. It'll then look for, according to the path, it'll look for the recent and review types. It'll scrape that data. Then waits upon another promise to get the data and passes it through. This is then presented, obviously, to the bot visually. It'll then, with using reviews, actual look up counter for Counter-Strike. Give us the top 10 reviews, top 10 outputs, which is leverage of the game search function. We then select one by going r.1. It'll then show us some reviews, the most recent. In this case, it's chosen to show us as possible. Additionally, it'll limit itself to 10 outputs for the results area. And that's it. Okay. Yep. All good.
Nice one.
Except that ending.
Was it Counter-Strike that threw you because it was?
Yeah, I just had a moment. I was like, yeah. It's like,
Delivered
kind of had a bit of lag there in my mind.
2 positive reviews.
Two
It's
positive
like 2 positive
with
reviews.
negative reviews.
That's
Why
it.
is there
No
no
one.
salt here? It's like, I kind of had that one too.
Can always edit it out.
Cool.
And is there one more, or is that no? I think
That's it.
Get knocked one off.
R
That's
EF7. Did you want to do that, Tim? Or- You know, it's partially working, you said?
I'm feeling an answer. Sorry. Tim, are you muted?
Tim,
Tim,
Muted, yeah. I
are
think
you muted, man?
Oh, yes.
Sorry, I was.
yeah, you
I was
like,
I'm just like, am I going crazy?
I have my mic up. Okay, we'll start again.
Oh,
I was talking to myself. Okay, so we will now. I'll now show you Extended Feature 7, which displays the rating for a game. So the overall positive review percentage. These are 2 parts. The first part will show the overall rating for the game, and the second part was to show the rating in the past number of days, with that number specified. That part's not working, but the first part is. So it utilizes the search function to get the app ID, and then plugs that into a function, into a module. That module then performs a GET request on the Steam store, which delivers a JSON file for a bunch of reviews. But at the very top of that JSON, it'll have the total number of reviews and the total number of positive reviews. So using those 2, we can find the percentage and then display it to the user. I had intended in the second part to, because in this GET request, you can specify a day range, and it will deliver lots of 20 reviews. And so you could count the number of positive reviews in the day range. But it was getting a bit complicated and we were running out of time. So now I'll demonstrate the first section. So Counter-Strike should still be in the array, so I'll use that. Bat is broken. Um,
Do you want to try doing this search again?
yeah.
Hmm.
I think it's all imported. Yeah. I'll search for Counter-Strike again. With that.
The part is offline.
Yeah, it's not. That's the results. It was working.
What is it saying?
It is saying
Okay.
it's not. Get overall is not a function. Which get overall.
Get overall.
Try that.
Sure.
Yeah, it could have been within it twice, maybe.
Yeah, I've never called module.export twice in a row.
You just do it within the same one
So-
after the other.
Yeah, I do one, and then when I close it, I put a comma, and then do the next one.
Right. That's probably.
Yeah.
But in saying that, I don't know if it's that touchy.
Yeah, it's probably just overridden the Okay, I will now demonstrate. Am I still screen sharing? Yep. Okay. I'll now demonstrate the game rating function. Center feature 7 working. First search something. The rating for first one. So it's overall rating is 96% with a typo. I'll fix that. But yes, that's the application working.
Nice work, Tim.
All good.
Nice.
Well,
Cool.
Good work, guys.
Finished.
Nice. Wow.
sure you
Okay,
can
I'll
edit it.
I'll start editing it like tomorrow morning if that's okay. You mind if I stop the broadcast now? We're all happy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.